In a significant move, New York state legislators and Governor Andrew Cuomo took an important step in protecting the rights of tenants in the state and preventing them from being evicted in troubling economic times due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Naqib Siddiq, a housing attorney with Legal Aid Society, says it gives his clients a moment of relief.
This is a very, very significant law because it really sends a message to the courts, the landlords, and to the tenants that the money may still be owed, but that because of this unforeseen massive crisis, that you don't have to fear losing your home.
The Tenant Safe Harbor Act was signed into law Tuesday. It is well ahead of the rest of the country in protective measures for anyone at risk of being evicted from their homes.
It's going to help reduce mass homelessness, and it's going to relieve one more burden off the mind of so many New Yorkers who are struggling financially.
There are still, however, many the law does not protect, the undocumented population being among them. For this group, claiming financial hardship and qualifying for unemployment insurance is proof of employment they just do not have.
It's a part of the puzzle, part of the recovery. It doesn't provide complete protection.
The law is also only a temporary moment of relief. When the state's declaration of emergency eventually lifts, financial hardships will continue for so many. It is why housing advocates and state lawmakers say the federal government must step in with hundreds of millions of dollars in assistance.
We're looking toward Washington for more assistance, because someone's got to pay these bills. If it's not the renters, it's going to be the landlords. And the landlords, many of them smaller, have mortgages to pay.
In the meantime, here's what you need to know about your rights as a tenant. At this time, you can't be evicted. However, after the moratorium ends, you can only be evicted if your landlord brings you to housing court first. Only a city marshal or sheriff can remove you physically, but only after you've gone through the housing court process and an order is issued by the court. Changing locks or preventing tenants access to their homes is illegal and a crime, a misdemeanor if it's done without the proper court process. Call 911 if it happens to you. And lastly, you do have the right to counsel in housing cases. Call 311 to be connected to resources there.
Narmeen Chaudhry, Pix 11 News.